Network marketing is a business model that relies on person to person sales by independent representatives, often working from home. It's also known as multi level marketing, MLM. Social media has revolutionized this field by providing a platform to reach a global audience instantly. Through social media, you can build a personal brand, create engaging content, and foster relationships with potential customers and recruits. The ability to create and share content that reflects your values and products helps build trust and credibility. Plus, social media algorithms can help target your ideal audience efficiently, making your marketing efforts more effective. Building your brand on social media is essential for achieving success in network marketing. Start by defining your unique selling points and what sets you apart from others in your industry. Consistency is key. Use the same profile picture, colors, and messaging across all platforms. Share valuable content that resonates with your audience and positions you as an expert in your field. Engage regularly with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Authenticity is crucial. Be genuine and transparent to build trust and credibility. Remember, it's not just about selling products, it's about building a community and long term relationships. To effectively use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms for network marketing, it's important to tailor your approach to each one. On Facebook, create a business page to share detailed posts and host live events. Instagram is perfect for visually engaging content. Utilize stories and reels to capture attention. LinkedIn is ideal for professional networking. Share insightful articles and join relevant groups to connect with industry peers. Each platform has its own strengths, so understanding your audience and adapting your content accordingly will maximize engagement and reach. Consistency and genuine interactions across all these platforms are key to success. Creating engaging content is crucial for network marketing success. Videos are highly effective. They allow you to demonstrate products and share testimonials. Posts with high quality images and compelling captions can capture attention and drive interaction. Stories offer a dynamic way to share updates and behind the scenes moments, keeping your audience engaged with short, ephemeral content. Live sessions are excellent for real time interaction, allowing you to answer questions and build a sense of community. Combining these content types ensures variety and keeps your audience interested, ultimately driving better engagement and conversion rates. Engaging with your audience is pivotal for network marketing success. Start by promptly responding to comments and messages. This shows you value their input. Create interactive content like polls, Q&A sessions, and giveaways to encourage participation. Personalized communication, such as addressing followers by their names and acknowledging their contributions, helps build strong relationships. Share user-generated content and testimonials to foster a sense of community and trust. Consistently provide value through tips, advice, and exclusive offers. By maintaining open lines of communication and showing genuine interest, you'll be able to convert leads into loyal customers and active team members.